Hey everyone, in this lab exercise, adding a background. We're going to add a background to the dog page attached. Okay, so we have this HTML file. We're going to download that and we want to attach these three images inside of this HTML file. Okay, so you're not writing any code, you're just structuring your files properly so that they actually render on our page. Okay, so the HTML page with CSS added and style tags inside of the head element. So that's what you're submitting. You don't need to submit the background image if you use one of the sample ones I gave you. If you use your own background images, you must include it with your submission. Okay, so I'm using VS Code. CodePen is not going to suffice because we're working with local files. So I'm going to hit File and I'm going to open a new folder. And so as I always tell you that you want to navigate to a place that you can remember or that's easily accessible. I'm going to utilize the desktop. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this lab exercise, adding a background. Okay, I'm going to open that inside of VS Code. Nice. So next we want to download all of these files. So all you have to do is click on them and they'll download. So my image, second image, and my third image. So if you just download them as is, normally you can find them inside of your downloads folder in your file explorer. Okay, so I'm going to navigate to my downloads folder. Okay, just to take the long route. It's inside of your local disk, users, your username, minus JD call, and it's inside of your downloads folder. If you don't want to take the long route, you can go on the side for quick access or this PC and hit downloads. And I see that I have my HTML images as well as my three images that I need. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight all of them, or 4 files, and I'm going to drag them inside of this highlighted box in VS Code. Okay, and now they're inside of the. Great. So because I have these files duplicated, actually I don't want to include these ones. Okay, now that I have my downloaded files, I want to open up my HTML page, right? Let's just quickly open this with live server. So if you don't have live server, please watch the how to install VS Code inside of the VLE. So we see that we have a dog page, right, a full HTML page, but all of our images are broken, and as a result, our alt attributes are showing. So we have one here, and one here. So we have 3 broken images, right? So here's what we need to do. We need to create a folder inside of our folder that we have opened up. So the folder that we have opened up right now is lab exercise, adding a background. So to create a folder in VS Code, I could right click, hit new folder, and I can name it images. I actually want to name it images because if we take a look at our code, we could see that inside of our src attribute for our images element, our images is actually inside of an images folder, right? So here's what I need to do. I need to drag all of these images inside of my images folder. And now you see that they appear inside of my HTML document. Okay. So that is lab exercise, adding a background.